Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable affiliate link tracking with Cloudflare step by step clearly. To disable affiliate link tracking with Cloudflare, open your web browser. Log into your Cloudflare account. Select the website you want to manage from your dashboard. Navigate to the DNS tab on the left side of the screen. Locate the DNS records related to your affiliate links. You may need to find a name or other record types that are currently tracking links. Click on the edit icon next to the appropriate DNS record. In the record settings, look for an option labeled Proxy Status. Change the proxy status from proxy to DNS only. This will disable any link tracking associated with that particular record. Next, go to the Firewall tab on the left panel. Select Firewall Rules from the options presented. Click on the Create a Firewall Rule button. Name your rule something like Disable Tracking. In the field dropdown, select URI path. Set that operator to Contains. Enter the tracking parameter used in your affiliate links. For example, you might enter tracking equals in the value field. Under then, choose Block from the drop-down menu. Save your new firewall rule. Finally, make sure to clear your website's cache. This ensures that the changes take effect immediately. Your affiliate link tracking should now be disabled through Cloudflare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.